Okay, salam dekore, and welcome to my first video archive. Let me tell you a little story. I'm not really much for reading books, especially novel ones, fiction ones, other than something that can really test your mind and your abilities to deduce. But I have to say that history is something that intrigues me. But that's another story for you for another day. But I want to say today is this is my very first Tigrinya book. Can you guess the title? Oh yes. There you are. Mezekerin Merhan. True, I can speak Tigrinya, but I've never ever read one. So this is going to be my first one. And to test my, how can I put it, my progress of how fast I can read, I've started it today. And I'm going to read you one chapter in the beginning. And then